Healthcare Policy, presented by me, Anthony Moore, at Colorado Christian University. Alright, the following presentation focuses on addressing the role of healthcare policy and the law in today's society, problems with policy and law, and why policymaking is needed. Policy, role of healthcare policy. The policies are meant to communicate to other employees regarding desired outcomes and provides the guidelines to aid in making decisions. Employers are able to understand their roles as well as the responsibilities within the organization. Right, to, ensure make daily organizational tasks or mitigated throughout the employees and just making sure everything runs smooth. It is vital to understand that the health policy aims at aligning the country's priorities with the population's health needs, basically developed by the development of health partners as well as buy-in across the government. Law in today's society. There are laws put in place to protect the public health at large. For instance, the Clean Air Act requires the EPA to set the standards meant to protect the public. And each year, in every law or regulation, whether it's new or updated, the policies are created to realize to the staff that laws are fundamental to healthcare, since without laws, there would be so much chaos all over. So we need laws to help, again, make everything run smooth. Again, the relationship between law and healthcare policy is clear and transparent, hence the two are said to facilitate one another. However, it is argued that the U.S. role is more individualistic, whereas healthcare policy focuses well on the population. Problems with policy and law. The task involved in ensuring that healthcare policy and laws are updated and communicated through organizations in a way that is very difficult. There are numerous changes to laws every day, and we have to continuously update and keep up with the modern times, and just making sure everybody know and continuously get training so keep everybody on the right page. The other serious problem is that medical device tax, which has been punishing the companies, and there are forces to reduce hiring and investments. This makes the companies less competitive globally. Why policy making is needed. Policies are very, very important. They have very important components in every organization. However, it is worthy noting that policies and procedures may become useless if the employees make them and then fail to disseminate them to the employees. They need to spread them around. Hence, it is called to the organization to utilize certain tools which documents the employee communication. All right. Some policies that are important that simplifies the decision making. It enhances the utilization and managerial time. It aids in secure consistency as well as quality in organization decisions. So we just need to spread the word and keep everybody in the loop. All in all, there are numerous changes occurring throughout state laws, Affordable Health Care Joint Commission, and other accreditation requirements. Therefore, it becomes difficult to create proper and efficient policies and laws. Here are some of my references. Thank y'all.